Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing you a city tweak called eSim, and this is pretty cool. So basically, you can switch between your dual sims and your other sims. So it's pretty cool. The tweak is called eSim. So all you want to type up is eSim and with the plus. So this is this tweak right here, and the switch one adds a package source. This tweak is free too, so you want to add the source right here. Pause the video, add the package source. Once you add that source, you guys can search it up and go to eSim Plus, and this is basically the tweak. It has screenshots down here. It is a free tweak, and it was just updated yesterday, so it gets updated a lot. And it supports iOS 12 or later. So I'm just gonna show you guys basically what this tweak does. So basically, it only works on the iPhone XS, XS Max, and the iPhone XR, which are the dual SIM phones. Like I said, for iOS 12 and above for the dual SIM phones for iPhone XS Max, and XR. So basically, allows you to choose from the eSIM or dual SIM, because basically with those phones, they basically have the ability to choose from different the SIM cards. You basically put two SIM cards in at once on any other phone, but those three phones you cannot. Well, two phones. But three, yeah, I guess you could say three phones because you have the SS Max, XR. For the iPhone X and below, does not support this. So eSIM allows you to choose eSIM or dual SIM while making a call, send a text message to your family, friends, or others. And you should have a way to choose your SIM from make your dial and call experience or send text elegant, and you wonder why Apple has not done this way. Simplest way of choosing the eSIM for making an outgoing call or text. Basically allows you to choose from which one you want, and it does cost $249, which is definitely worth this. You have to go down, scroll down, and tap on log in to your account, and then you actually would have to once you log in, you'd pay for there. It's $250, and it's definitely worth it. So we're going to go to the screenshots. So we're going to tap on the screenshots, guys, and this is basically what it does. Basically, when you go to call or text people, it'll come up as like your two carriers, wherever SIM card you have in, and you can either text from either one or call people from either one. So I think it's a really, really cool tweak. Even when you send like a text message, so even right here, there's a text message, and you can respond by your different SIMs. You call people from your two different SIMs, and it will just pop up when you text somebody saying we like to send a message as a text message. And yeah, so pretty cool. And you also have your settings. You want to go to your settings, and you go to the application, it'll be in your settings. So you want to go to settings, go into the tweet section, and you can see eSIM Plus, and basically just have some settings to configure it, and basically on how to turn different stuff on and off for it. And yeah, it'll just pop up, seeing like which one you want to use, and you can also label them like your personal account, your secondary account. So I think that's pretty cool, and I wish Apple had done it like this, but they obviously do not. So this makes it a lot more easier using this, and only for $2.49, I can say it's 150% worth it. And also, you wouldn't need Rocket Bootstrap if you don't already have it. They'll actually install it for you when you install this package. But you also want to make sure you have this source right there. That's the Ryan Petridge source, and it'll install Rocket Bootstrap, which supports any iOS version. You just need that to install this tweak. But if you just add this source, and you can install this tweak, and then also install Rocket Bootstrap with it. Or you can just go to that source and install Rocket Bootstrap from Ryan Petridge source. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next one, and yeah, peace.